What if I told you that there was a token that's worth more than Bitcoin? A token that's only about 2 months old and has already rallied over 38 times since its launch. You'd probably tell me I'm crazy, right? Heck, I don't blame you. If someone had told me this 6 months ago, I would have called the bullshit police. Well, I would have had to have eaten my words, because today such a token exists and it's one of the most exciting projects in the DeFi space. I am of course talking about Yearn.Finance and their waifu governance token. However, is all this hype justified, and can this project realistically achieve those sky-high expectations?
And now, let's move on to the airdrop itself. Airdrop is a part of marketing strategy among population in order to increase the number of holders and interest in the project. Airdrop is held on the famous TrustPad platform. It is a multi-chain, one of the top 5 of the largest launchpads. The link to the official website of Airdrop is below this video in the attached comment. So, let's take part in Airdrop while there's an opportunity, and organizers of the drawing have considered that there will be a lot of people. So, they limited the maximum amount of tokens you can get. The limit is $500. Also, we see that airdrop amount is limited. 10 million tokens allocated and already 12% distributed, which means we need to hurry. The rules of participation in airdrop are very simple. We need to have a wallet on MetaMask or Trust Wallet to get the precious $500. I have a MetaMask add-on, for example. Click Join Airdrop and connect your wallet to the platform. After connecting your wallet to the platform, immediately you will see a pop-up about a small fee for the transaction that you need to pay. After that, the only thing left come to our wallet. So friends, I did it! It took about 5 minutes. Tokens appeared on my wallet. I got 3,400 tokens, which is roughly equivalent to $500. I earned $500 basically in a matter of minutes. This is unbelievable! I can say with certainty that the developers have achieved their goal, as I'm already thinking about holding this token, because I believe that this project has a great future. Besides that, I have already taken interest in following the project.
Well, I think I got a bit carried away there. But I promise this is the end, for now at least. I need to hear from you folks though. What are your thoughts on Yearn.Finance? Anyone else have a DeFi project they're keenly watching? Hit me up below. Also, if you're looking for some of the best deals, promos, and giveaways in crypto, then I highly suggest you check out my personal deals page, also linked to below. Finally, thanks so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed watching this vid as much as I did making it. If that is the case, then please do help me to help you and let YouTube know how you feel. Smash up that like button and don't forget to subscribe too. Much more is on the DeFi horizon.